Another ulam ideas from your take-home cuisinero. Marami po ba kayong tirang kanin? Hindi nyo na alam kung anong gagawin ninyo. Kaya dito na lang pong gawin natin. Ibis na puro fried rice, ito naman. Pero bago na si Manto, please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? Ito ang ating leftover rice. Then put 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 pot of water on it, just like that. Then add chicken cubes. Then durugin nyo po. Then add, we're gonna use our ginger, garlic, and our onions, just like that. Wash our chicken with Magat River water. Then fire on the hole. Add oil. Then saute your garlic to golden brown, just like that. Use a generous amount of ginger because your lugaw will be more tasteful when lots of ginger. Yung caldo pala, okay? Then add your onions and lots of ginger on it. Then add your chicken, your fish sauce, and your pepper. And hala, MSG na naman. Just like that. On the separate pot, the leftover rice cooking. Don't add water. Let it simmer and let it dry and let your natural juices and oil comes out from the chicken. Then you transfer it to the boiling pot of yours, just like that. Oh, napakadali. Yeah. Then, taste mo kung okay na siya. Then, add your crispy garlic. Yummy!